How do I view my Wi-Fi bill history online?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to guide you through the steps needed to access your Wi-Fi bill history online. This will allow you to review all your past payments and transactions with your internet service provider.
Log in to your service provider's website.
To get started, you need to first log into your account on your service provider's website. This is where all your billing information is stored. If you don't remember your login credentials, there should be an option for Forgot Password or Forgot Username, which will guide you through the recovery process.
Navigate to the billing section.
Once you've successfully logged in, locate and click on the section related to billing. It might be labeled as Billing, My Bills, Billing History, or something similar. This area of the website is where you can find your billing information.
Find and view your bill history.
Within the billing section, there should be an area dedicated to past bills or billing history. Click on that section. You should now see a list or record of all your past bills. Here, you can review individual bills, usually by clicking on the specific bill's date or associated View button. This will open up more details about that specific bill, including a breakdown of the charges and the payment status.
Understanding your bill.
While reviewing your bill history, take note of monthly charges, any extra fees, and taxes. This will help you understand your billing pattern and identify any inconsistencies or errors. That's it. You should now know how to view your Wi-Fi bill history online. By frequently reviewing your billing history, you can ensure that you're being billed correctly and keep track of your internet expenses. As always, if you have any trouble or questions, reach out to your internet service provider's customer service for further assistance. We hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.